Want to make animated videos for free using AI? No paid tools, no experience, just pure magic. I am going to show you exactly how to do it using free AI tools and Canva. Let us go. Step 1. Write your script using ChatGPT. First, let's get a great script. Go to ChatGPT. Even the free version works. Ask it something like, write a 30-second script for an animated video about staying productive. You'll get a ready-to-use script in seconds. You can tweak it to fit your voice or audience. Step 2. Generate voiceover. Next, let's turn that script into a voiceover. Go to ElevenLabs or TTS-MP3, paste your script and pick a voice. Click Generate and boom, you've got your narration. Download it as an MP3. Pro tip, keep it under 1 minute to stay within most free limits. Step 3. Create the animation in Canva. Now the fun part, animation. Head to Canva and search for animated video or explainer templates. Use the free ones. Add your text, images, and animated elements to match your script. Each slide equals one scene. It's drag and drop easy. Upload your AI voiceover into Canva and sync the slides with it. Or export slides and sync them later in an editor. Bonus tip, final touches in CapCut. Want your video to really shine? Upload everything into CapCut? It's free too. Add captions, royalty-free music, or sound effects. CapCut also has templates that make things look professional fast. And there you go, a fully animated video made with AI, Canva, and zero cost. Want more free tools like this to boost your content game? Hit subscribe, and I'll keep the AI hacks coming.